being that the power's out, we got a lot of uncontrolled intersections here. This one being, it's going to be Sprague Avenue and Park Road. Across the street here is Dishman Dodge. And this area is usually pretty well lit this time of night. So it's probably a storm that I might not see for a long time. So I figured I'd just go ahead and document the effects of it. So I'm just going to kind of cruise around and check out a few other areas. We're going to hop in the trusty old Crown Victoria here. 2005, 236,000 miles on it. Anyways, we're gonna hit the road real quick. My power steering's out tonight. Unfortunately, all my fluid leaked out. So, anyways, we're on the road. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera off. So, see you guys later.